Hey everybody, my name is Robert. Thanks for coming to my channel. I am in front of my 2022 Ford Maverick XLT hybrid because I'm going to be doing a LED swap, and I'll talk about why I'm doing that in a second. Maverick here, and Stormy needs some LEDs. So if you didn't know, in the XLs and XLT models, the headlights are LEDs. These guys right here, two are low beams, one's high beam, and they are also daylight running lamps, DRLs. Lariats have a DRL up on the top here, so that's what they get for the premium price, or one of the things I should say they get for the premium price. And right there in that middle, that light right there, you can see a little bit of amber. That is the turn signal and parking lights. And FYI, those are halogens. So certain things are halogen, certain things are LEDs. If you haven't seen my previous video, I'll put a link here. I went ahead and did reverse LED lights on the back. So I'm slowly converting everything I can from halogen to LED. Several reasons why. LED is going to last longer. LED is going to be brighter. LED is going to turn on faster. So that split second, there's a split second difference, milliseconds, but you can definitely tell that difference. And I'm actually going to demonstrate it here today as well. So going back to LED upgrades, I grabbed these from Lasfit. I'll put the link in the description. We actually have a discount code as well, so check the link in the description for the discount code and the link where to buy these. That would be appreciated and helpful to you as well. So you'll see it in the description and also my main comments. So that way you can just click it, boom, and that's where you get it. And I'll look for the coupon code as well. If you don't know what hyperflashing is, sometimes the system doesn't realize you have a LED bulb because it's lower resistance than a halogen bulb, and it'll hyperflash. It'll flash really quick. And back in the day, that used to be a cool thing, but now it's a problem. So hyperflashing is an issue. I've heard hyperflashing is happening in the cabin. So sometimes it doesn't hyperflash out here, but it'll hyperflash there. So we'll test that as well. And these, so because of hyperflashing, they have put in built-in resistors, so you don't have to wire extra harnesses or anything. It's all in one package, and Lasfit products are super bright. You can see these are actually switchbacks, and what switchbacks are is that you have white and amber, and they will flip or switch back. So we'll demonstrate that as well. So can't wait to put these on. So let's go with step one, open the hood. I honestly haven't even opened this hood since I received the car. So the truck, I should say, is a bit looking at. Not sure why it says 2X, though. It looks like it goes up once, but there's a 2X there. My understanding, it doesn't have hood shocks, so that might be something I might be considering. Again, it's first time opening, so bear with me. Maybe that's why it's 2 times. Rear hood release, maybe. Oh, I think that's why maybe it says 2 times. 2X. Ah. Okay, that's new. So one is to release it, one is to release the hood release. Oh, okay, interesting. So let's prop this open. Give me a second. I'm gonna hold this oddly. There we go. Where are you, Mr. Hood? So it tells you, hey, I got a little arrow right here. You gonna hook me up right here? So the little arm goes right here. That's the first time I've seen the engine. All right, so headlights are signals, switchbacks. So, oh, nice. I like that. It's right there. I don't have to do too much work. Awesome. So very easy to access on the driver's side. Oh, and super easy to access on the passenger side. Okay, life is good. Life is good. That's what I gotta say. So that, yeah, that's the one. Yep. Okay. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. So lefty loosey pops right out. There's ways to remember this. If you remember your position, how you had it, just remember you had this kind of upward and then righty tighty. Because the little teeth here are slightly different. So get this. Let's see, this is a yank, right? It's hot. It's hot today, so that we're yanking that out. Whew. So hot, Jesse. I am. No, thank you, Jesse. So Jesse's uncomfortable to come out to help, but
I don't know if I can help, Dad.
You want to help?
Yeah.
All right, come on out, dude.
I think I will be okay.
All right.
Let me see if I can help.
Jesse.
I've been helping for a long time.
He hasn't. So Jesse, my oldest son, wants to help. Yeah. In there.
Yeah, this is the new one.
Yeah, it doesn't matter which way you
Polarity don't matter.
go. Polarity is not. Just stick it in securely.
I just carefully. Sorry, I just didn't want to like. I'm gonna carefully.
Get in the camera. There you go.
I'm like carefully. I just didn't want to break the pins. There.
Yep.
It's
and
in.
we just stick it in. What's cool is that it's right here, Jesse. Remember we used to have to do so much work?
Yeah.
So we just have to stick it in here.
And just twist it.
And then go ahead and twist it.
You know, like twist it. I think it's good.
That's it. Super easy, right?
Yeah, and it has a seal to keep it
So
from
we're
water.
gonna test out the brightness for the folks right now.
Yeah.
And then after that, we could I'll have you change the other side.
What's that sound?
I
Yeah.
don't know. So go ahead and stick that in the key. So Jesse, since I got a guy, we can probably see. Oh, we can see the brightness on it. So that's the switchback. Go ahead and turn on the hazards. Okay, so that's the daytime running lights. So that's the hazards. Turn off the air condition. Woo, that thing's loud. Okay, go ahead and turn on the hazards. So you can see, as I was telling you, how fast the LEDs flash versus the halogen. You can see the difference on that. And even in the daytime, you can see how bright that is, right, Jesse?
Yeah, see, it's brighter on
And you
that
can see how much faster the LED is. Okay, let's turn off the hazards. And now with the switchbacks, you can see that the driver's light stays a white, which is really close to this LED here, while the passenger side stays amber because there's only one color. It's not a switchback, and you can see the headlight there. So that's one advantage, one cool thing. And you can actually run parking lights only and then turn off these DRLs here and then have these technically as DRLs. So that's another option you can do. So Jesse, go ahead and turn off everything. You wiggle it. So the best way to do it, Jesse, is when you get it in, you wiggle it left and right.
Yeah.
Don't wiggle it up and down.
Yeah.
So here, you're not going to wiggle it up and down against those pieces because you could break something. You're going to wiggle it left and right.
Yeah, I see it.
See that difference?
Yeah.
Left and right, so that way you can get it kind of out. So if it's a little bit snug for you guys, wiggle it left and right. And
You see? Yeah.
Okay, Jesse. All right, get the bulb right there.
New bulb.
A new one. And like I said, since it's not polarity sensitive, we can go ahead and just stick it however we want to stick it.
And I'll wiggle it.
That one you could push straight down, but you can wiggle it too. Yep.
Yeah,
nice
now
and
it's in.
firm.
Now I
Now
can
stick it back through.
use a seal.
Yep.
Now it's in.
Now it's snug.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and crank it up.
You unlock it.
And then we'll do this at night.
We'll test it out.
Yeah. Maybe it is polarity sensitive. You know what? It is polarity sensitive. It's not working, right?
Wait.
Is the hazard on?
I hear it turn on.
Okay,
That's
it is
flashing.
polarity sensitive.
Yeah.
So these are polarity sensitive because of the switchback. Go ahead and turn it off and then go back in. You still have the hazards on, but it's okay. Just go ahead and you could change it, it won't hurt.
It won't affect me.
These don't burn.
But that's
So
off.
wiggle it.
Not left and
Wiggle it.
right.
There you go. Now flip it. There you go. Now push it back. There you go. Nice and bright.
It's polarity
So
sensitive.
they are polarity sensitive because of the switchback. Okay.
Yeah, now
cool.
it's back in. Let me try that.
It's already on.
Yeah.
Go ahead and turn it on so we can do the DRLs. So the DRLs or the switchback actually turns on too. So I'm just gonna lock it and see how bright these suckers are. Whoa! You see how bright that is? Even the switchbacks are bright. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? So let's run the hazards so you can see that. Let's go back. Look how bright that. Look how bright that light goes. Jeez, that's ridiculous. Look at that. Camera can't even pick it up. I mean, in person they're just as bright. It's ridiculous. Okay, so let me start it up and turn on the blinker because people worry about hyper flash, right? There we go. Now I'm started. I'm running, and now let's turn on the blinker. Oops. Keep it on. So that's how a switchback works. Back is flashing as it should. No difference, see? And the interior gauge is flashing as it should. So that's about it. So if you have any questions or comments, post below. If you want to grab this Lasfit switchback, please hit my link at the bottom here. Or I should see if I can stick it up here. I'll put it in the description as well. There's a coupon code. You could also go to www.robtheman.com for all my deals, all my links, and those actually help support my site as well. So, and that'll actually help support the cause as well. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.